guys, it's your girl shaelamichelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another vlog. As you can see, I am already getting started on my makeup. I was invited by a good friend of mine. She is a virtual assistant. I was invited to a candle making course. So excited because who don't want to make candles? I'm gonna take you guys with me. I am going to record the event. Let's just get ready with me. Like, I'm Golden Black candle company. I got an email for 2 people. I think it was like $110. So for 2 people, it's about $55 a piece, which is pretty good because you're leaving with a candle. Now, I don't know if you're leaving with more than 1 candle, but I know that you're leaving with a candle. It's going to be a great event. It's black owned. Excited for that. I'm excited for us for that.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes.
Ooh, that song is L, honey. Buns out, buns out. Okay, guys. Hopefully I was able to do a montage of me getting ready. But we are now on our way to the candle making class. And bae is my +1 per usual. She looks good. I'm gonna show my outfit, but I am gonna show it like once we make it or whatever. But my shades are Shein. Headband from the beauty supply house. My earrings are from Amazon. Of course, my necklace is Tiffany. My halter top, H&M, I think. I have cargos, Versace heels, mini tabby bag. That's the outfit. They have on, what is this? Boohoo Man? Boohoo. Ray-Bans. I think it's supposed to be MNML, minimal. And then she have on her Gucci sneakers. So those are the fits. We stay very far from the actual place, so let's hope we make it there with 15 minutes to spare. Wish me luck.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Daisy. Ain't no way for him but some babies. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you tried on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. No, I need it more than just 1 time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need you to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie.
They gotta bring you some more. Would you let your partner dance wanna know why? Ryan, Destiny. And I will let you, as long as I'm careful. Sounds like you gotta be careful on it.
While you guys were choosing your scents and choosing your labels, I was mixing them together. I was blending them up for y'all. So I went ahead and I passed everything back. Everyone should have a shot glass at this point. So that shot glass has your fragrance in it. This is a different kind of bar, so we don't want to sip the shot. We just want to sniff the shot. So if you haven't had a chance to, go ahead and smell your shot glass to make sure that you love it, or at least up. And then we're going to just do a big old congratulations, okay? So if it's okay with you all, I like to put this on my story. Congratulations! You guys shall also find a mini whisk. You're going to use the whisk to blend everything together for 2 minutes. We'll keep track of the 2 minutes with my timer. When that time goes up, I will swing back around and collect your whisk from you guys. For everything. So you can wait until the end. It just makes everything a lot easier. I have a stick for the flowers, me for the gold, but you can use your fingers. Opportunity to say thanks to you guys for finding and booking with us. Without these bookings, we wouldn't be able to put on the class. So truly do appreciate that.
Why you didn't take it?
It's saucy. I don't want that shit.
You just said it was good. You would have ate it.
It was good while I was hungry.
I mean, yeah, you know.
It's something. Because your brain is always
It is.
and I'm always thinking, but I'm able to process my thoughts before it goes down. When you got somebody like, I don't know the difference. I think it's ADHD.
I think 88 did mean that you just overthink. Like, you just think a lot. Oh, no, you can't sit the fuck down.
Maybe you're ADD.
Oh, that's 80.
You say you feel like you can sit still.
I'm unproductive. Being unable to wait their turn.
Oh god. And then I talked to the manager, so he took it off the bill. So it's only $22.72.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. And then
Straight up, straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
Excuse the setup as well, because I mean, technically I didn't feel like I was going to be getting on camera tonight, but then I realized while I was editing the video for the candle making class that we attended, which you do see that there's not much talking between the actual experience, because we were just trying to enjoy it, just to give you like a full recommendation. But I actually thoroughly enjoyed the actual class. Me and my wife, I actually burned my candle today for the first time, and today is what, July 22nd. I burned my candle, but it smells so good, and and as you can see, I had a great time with the actual owner. I think the class was just very interactive. I love the fact that they had games on the table for you and your partner, or you and your friends, to kind of play and enjoy each other's company. So that was like a plus for me. Like, I really enjoyed it. You do recommend for you to bring your own bottle. You actually leave with 2 candles. You leave with a small one. Let me show you. You see, is my large candle. Class was really worth the cost. So 55, and you leave with 2 candles. You leave with a small little miniature, and then you actually leave with like a full-size candle. And honestly and truthfully, they burn really slow. I think I had my candle on for at least 2 hours. Wax was not like completely like melted, and that was very surprising to me. But that also lets me know that it's gonna burn very, very slow. Know that the actual candle is going to last for a very long time. She was a great vibe. Her class was a great vibe. You do take the class with others, of course, but I mean, you can bring friends, family, co-workers. It's very beautiful atmosphere. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Her name's Ebony, and it's the Golden Candle Lounge. Me and my wife loved it. We end up going to dinner that night and just enjoying each other's company. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys go and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna get out of here. Bye.
It's not that I don't